combine all the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half cup granulated sugar, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, pinch of salt. Mix to combine. Set aside. In another bowl, whisk all together the wet ingredients. 1½ cups of whole milk, 2 large eggs, a half cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then give it a mix. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and just mix them enough to combine, but don't overmix. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then lightly grease the waffle maker with vegetables oil or cooking oil. Slowly pour the mixture into the waffle iron. On my waffle iron I cook exactly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes our waffles are ready, and look, it is golden brown and crunchy. Then repeat again until you finish all your waffle mixture. You can put butter on top and maple syrup or honey. You can also put chocolate or caramel sauce, whatever you want. Thanks for watching and keep safe, everyone. Bye bye.